Now it works. Hi, everyone. My name is Nika, and I'm the co-founder of Ani Biome. The microbiota gut-brain axis has long been ignored, and it is the key player when it comes to the response to drugs. It defines both the state of health and disease, and already science confirms its critical role. Now imagine the immense potential of turning the non-responders into responders. Imagine the potential, not just the monetary one, but the potential of the improvement in people's quality of lives. In order to get there, we need to personalize adjunct therapies in order to influence the efficacy of the primary treatment. To do that, we need an algorithm. And that is what we are doing at Ani Biome. We are going from 0 to 1. And we are building an algorithm to map and modulate the gut-brain axis, to understand the different interactions occurring on this communication channel between the gut, the microbiota, the brain, and the various inputs in form of bioactive compounds, nutritional interventions, drugs, supplements, you name it, we look on the molecular level. The first use case of our Ani medical platform is inflammatory bowel disease. IBD usually gets diagnosed between 18 to 35 years of age, meaning that IBD patients go on to live for 3/4 of their lifetime with severely impacted quality of life. There is no cure. We developed a unique way to assess the level of acute inflammation in IBD. We use tongue imaging, and we have our own proprietary medical device analyzer through which we are already assessing 64 times more data points than a regular tongue photo. We use that data together with biopsychological assessments in order to understand the oral manifestations of different biological deviations and predict states of acute inflammation, and in order to personalize adjunct therapy, biotics. This adjunct therapy is already clinically and preclinically validated. We have seen threefold increase in Faecalibacterium prausnitzii after a single dose of biotics in healthy donors. Furthermore, we've seen biotics increase butyrate production up to 400% in IBD donors in a colon on a plate study. And we have also built the world's largest data set of tongue photos in the world and the most relevant and accurate models in order to predict and assess and modulate inflammation. And now, going back to my first point, it is exactly butyrate producers that differentiate responders from non-responders in IBD. Rigorous scientific expertise stands behind Ani. We work with world's leading academic institutions and clinics. We have clinical trials worth more than 4 million euros already ongoing. I will repeat, we already finished our first human intervention trial, and we are ready for the next step. We are looking for a pharma partner to conduct a pilot study together in IBD patients. Thank you for your time, and I'm ready for your questions.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So I just need to understand that it seems like if Prau is your key product, correct, as a probiotic?
No, so we are not focused on Faecalibacterium prausnitzii. We are focused on the signals, so the molecules that impact the production of butyrate and to impact the gut microbiota composition, so that actually we have more butyrate producers within the gut. So it's not about planting,
it's like a prebiotic that stimulates the propagation of F. Prau, so you get more natural F. Prau. But can you just come? You started your pitch about that you want to cross the gut-brain axis, and then you are focusing on IBD, which is a pure gut disease.
That is an excellent question. IBD is not a pure gut disease. Yes, there is a severe case of gut inflammation. However, what studies confirm is that actually it is the mental conditions that precede the development of IBD. So before the signs of inflammation in the gut, there are changes occurring between 2 to 5 years when it comes to states of anxiety and stress. So we are actually able to predict whether a person will develop IBD, hypothetically, just based on the state of one's mental state. So it really showcases the importance that it's a communication channel.
Any other question?
So your product is the algorithm.
Exactly.
It's not the, okay. And that,
The algorithm is what Ani Biome is all about. So the mission of Ani Biome is to understand, to map and modulate the gut-brain axis. And I would like to use this opportunity to call you to actually join us. So our product is already available on the market. You can join the Ani Biome membership. You can become a part of this movement, because what we need is simply more data. We need more data. We need more people joining us, and we will actually be announcing our community shareholder program. We will be allocating 5% of the company to early adopters. So I'm calling you to join us and to be a part of this movement.
Thank you very much for the presentation.